What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chase and Tell Outdoors. And today we are out on the water. Things worked out perfect. I'm out alone right now, which is awesome. I got a couple buddies that'll be coming out later. We just rented some boats on a lake near where we grew up, and yeah, I've already got some bedfish spotted, so we're gonna get you guys on chesty and we'll get to fishing. Let's do this. This is the first fish of the day. I'm just picking it up and moving her off the bed. There he is again. Oh. You gotta be really small, I think. First fish of the day. And it is a giant. This is a little guy I think that I was messing with, I think. Over there. What a beautiful first fish. On the little Senko. Cool. Thanks, little dude. Let's see if this like 2-pounder weight this. Snazzy. We'll just chuck it up there. Flip it. I picked Braden up. First fish for him on the new rod. It's pretty sweet. We came back to the same cut that we were at before, only because there was bedded fish everywhere, and it'll be easy for us to stay back here and whatnot. So let him deal with that and put us on some beds. See if we can get him to commit this time. Oh, you little bastard! He took one of my legs. First day with the new legs. Oh, he's got it. He's just swimming away. Yeah, he is. Let's see if I can boat flip.
Solid probably 2.5 for you. No, 2.5.
Heck yeah, dude. Well, first decent fish of the day. Caught him on a bed, and we'll get him back in the water. Right back to his bed. There he goes. Cool. Now I've got 2, Braden's got 1, but who's counting? Oh, he came up. We're back at the marina. Our buddies are here. We're gonna grab some food, and then we're gonna get back on the water. We only have until 6. 1, I have to leave, and 2, because the place we're renting the boat from closes. So we'll bring you guys over there. It'll be the first time some of these dudes are on camera, so we'll see how it is.
What's up, dude? We're out here, yo.
We out here in Lakeside, Oregon on the vlog.
Wait, is this vlog number 1 or 2?
We ain't telling you where the spots are
5.
at.
I haven't been keeping up with your vlogs, bro.
It's like 8, bro.
Okay,
It's
yo,
like 9.
vlog number 8. We're out here, man.
Fishing. Doing big things.
Catching bass. Tapping.
Oh. All right, we stopped in, grabbed some stuff to eat. I got this, got some sunscreen. Anyway, see you guys back on the water. All right, guys, so we are fishing a friendly tournament with 2 of our friends. They just turned around that corner over there. Some beds that we found over here. We're doing best of 5 to get this show on the road, eh? Turn that switch right there. Boom. Oh, holy crap. Hell yeah. All right, 2-4 is the way to this one. Back to its bed. That was 214. So we'll put that in our notes, and then we'll get back to fishing. Getting big. Oh my god! I got it. Stay pin. I'm trying to grab it. That's all right, bro. Dude, hell yeah! This is a freaking tank, dude. Oh man.
Alright. Keep recording that.
Oh man, this is freaking awesome. Oh, we're swimming away. This is a tank, dude. Oh my god.
Solid 4.5, I'd say. 3.5. Looks like you guys are jumping in.
Yeah, dude, that's 5 pounds.
I hate everything about you guys. I hate everything about you.
Yeah, the one I just bought. I'm not gonna weigh him, but number 4 for me. But it's all good. Another little guy on the lipless crank. Another one. 5th, I'd say. Okay. But it's all. I snagged a perch. That's first. Oh, there he goes. This little lipless is just catching these cookie cutter fish. You know he's pretty small. He's skipping across the water. You guys set it out. There's a good one. This is a good one, dude. Turn my big camera on. He's all right. All right, you guys. I am back in the old Honda Civic truck. We are done. Brought the boats back and everything. And today was a great day, honestly. Today was super fun, and I hope to come back here and do this again with my boys. We just rented 2 boats and just went out and made the day and just fished all day long. I caught, you guys saw, but yeah, it was super fun. Had a great time back down here, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of Jason Taylor Outdoors. Peace.